Let's dive right into this explainer. We're answering your biggest corporate conference planning questions with direct, actionable tips. Quick agenda. We're covering timelines, venues, catering, AV, and budgets to totally optimize your next event. So how early should you actually start planning? Honestly, as early as physically possible. Getting these basics done early locks down better venues, secures top speakers, and gives everyone enough notice. Now, what really separates purpose-built venues from standard hotel function rooms? Well, it's all about intent. Purpose-built spots are literally engineered for business, packing integrated tech and support you won't always find in hotels. What about the best room layout? Honestly, that completely depends on your event's unique format. Pick theater for big crowds, classroom for focused training, or cabaret styles to spark group discussion. How do we flawlessly manage dietary needs? Always collect those specifics early during registration. Nailing down these exact requirements with your venue early on totally prevents frustrating day of catering delays. Why does this matter? Well, quality food keeps audience energy high and keeps your agenda strictly on track. Okay, what AV is absolutely required for a professional corporate event? Simply put, don't overcomplicate things. Here are the core must-haves. Notice, microphones here. They're incredibly crucial for large spaces and big panels. Crucially, rock-solid Wi-Fi is non-negotiable. It powers everything from live audience polling to accessing cloud resources. But what if you're going digital? Let's look at what you need for a hybrid conference setup. Hybrid events demand extra prep so your remote attendees can see, hear, and contribute just as clearly. So what costs actually belong in your budget? Fair warning, it goes way beyond just venue hire. Watch out for those hidden costs at the bottom. Late changes alone can cause massive budget blowouts. Remember, a cheaper venue might look great upfront, but could hide massive event day risks below the surface. Finally, how will you measure success? If your event ended tomorrow, what single metric proves it worked?